Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So connecting NotebookLM to Claude can create a powerful research workflow. NotebookLM excels at source-grounded research and citations, while Claude is strong as writing, reasoning, coding, and content creation. By connecting the two, Claude can work with information stored inside your NotebookLM notebooks instead of relying only on pasted text. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to connect NotebookLM to Claude in 2026, simple and effective. So first thing, understand the workflow. Like before setting anything up, understand the rules. Like NotebookLM stores sources, analyzes documents, provides citations, creates research summaries. Claude writes contents, performs reasoning, generates reports, builds workflows. So like NotebookLM becomes the knowledge layer, while Claude becomes the execution layer. Okay, so create your NotebookLM knowledge base, like upload your research into NotebookLM. Like examples include PDFs, research paper, reports, books. So the better your sources, the better Claude's future output will be. Install a NotebookLM MCP connector. Like most integrations use a NotebookLM MCP server. So popular community projects include NotebookLM MCP server or NotebookLM MCP CLI. So these tools act as a bridge between Claude and NotebookLM. So MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. So authenticate your Google account. Like after installing the connector, sign into the Google account that contains your NotebookLM notebooks. This allows the connector to access notebook sources, summaries, and queries. So Claude can only access notebook available through your connected account. Configure Claude, like depending on your setup, configure Claude Desktop, Claude Code, Claude MCP compatible client. So the MCP connector must be registered so Claude knows how to communicate with NotebookLM. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.